Imagine a world where your investments not only grow steadily, but also send you regular, increasing income like clockwork. For parents juggling bills, it's the promise of extra funds for your child's future. For the young professional, it's the fast track to financial independence, turning small savings into a powerful wealth engine. For the busy doctor or lawyer, it's the peace of mind knowing your money is working hard even when you can't. And for the entrepreneur, it's the stable foundation that supports your risk-taking spirit. But what if I told you this isn't a pipe dream? What if there was a carefully guarded secret, used by generations of successful investors, that could make this your reality? It's not about chasing the next get-rich-quick scheme or gambling on volatile stocks. It's about something much more reliable, much more predictable, and surprisingly simple. In the next few minutes, I am going to pull back the curtain on this secret society and show you how a single investment, represented by 3 powerful letters, SDY, can be your ticket to long-term wealth and consistent income, no matter where you're starting from. Let's be honest, navigating the world of finance can feel like trying to decipher a foreign language. For parents buried under debt, every financial decision feels high stakes. You're constantly weighing needs against wants, often sacrificing your own well-being for your children. The idea of long-term wealth building can seem like a distant fantasy when you're just trying to make it to the next paycheck. Young people starting their careers are often bombarded with conflicting advice, leading to analysis paralysis. You see others seemingly making fortunes, and you wonder if you're missing out on some crucial piece of the puzzle. Independent professionals, despite high earning potential, often lack the time and energy to actively manage their investments, leading to missed opportunities or the nagging feeling that their money isn't working optimally. And entrepreneurs, while comfortable with risk in their business ventures, often crave stability and predictability in their personal finances. You pour your heart and soul into your business, and the thought of your personal savings being vulnerable can be a constant source of stress. The common thread here is the desire for certainty, for a sense of control in an often unpredictable economic landscape. You're tired of the roller coaster of the market, the fear of sudden losses, and the feeling that you're constantly chasing after a secure future? You deserve a financial strategy that is both reliable and has a proven track record, something you can understand and trust to work for you over the long term, providing a sense of stability amidst the chaos. Now, let's talk about that secret society I mentioned earlier. It's not a secret handshake or an exclusive club, but rather a well-defined group of companies known as the Dividend Aristocrats. These are not just any companies. They are the financial titans of the stock market, businesses that have not only paid dividends consistently, but have actually increased their annual dividend payout for at least 25 consecutive years. Think about that for a moment. A quarter of a century of rewarding their shareholders with more and more income, year after year, through economic booms and busts. This demonstrates an incredible level of financial stability, resilience, and a commitment to sharing profits with their investors. So, how do you gain access to this elite group of wealth-generating companies? That's where SDY comes in. SDY is the ticker symbol for the SPDR S&P Dividend ETF. Think of it as a single investment fund that conveniently bundles together a diverse collection of these Dividend Aristocrat companies. Instead of having to research and buy individual stocks, you can invest in SDY and instantly own a piece of dozens of these proven wealth-building machines. It's like buying a whole orchard of fruit-bearing trees with a single click, where each tree consistently produces more fruit every year. This diversification helps to reduce risk while providing exposure to the consistent dividend growth of these established and reliable businesses. Why are Dividend Aristocrats and SDY such a powerful tool for building long-term wealth? No matter your current financial situation, it boils down to several key factors that resonate deeply with the aspirations of each of you. Predictable and growing income. For parents in debt, the increasing dividend income from SDY can provide a much-needed cushion, helping to alleviate financial pressure over time and creating a sense of forward momentum. Imagine those dividend payouts gradually helping to cover an extra bill or contributing to a savings fund for your children's education. Compounding power. For young people just starting to invest, the reinvestment of these growing dividends creates a powerful snowball effect. Over the long term, the magic of compounding can turn even small initial investments into significant wealth, accelerating your journey towards financial independence and making those distant goals feel much closer. Stability in any market. Independent professionals value stability and low-maintenance investments. Dividend Aristocrats have a proven track record of weathering economic storms and continuing to reward their shareholders. SDY offers a diversified approach within this resilient group, providing a sense of security and allowing you to focus on your demanding careers without constantly worrying about your investments. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. SDY allows you to plant your financial tree today, knowing it has a strong foundation. Disciplined profit sharing. For entrepreneurs, SDY represents a stake in established, profitable businesses that have a history of sharing their success with investors. It's a way to diversify your holdings beyond your own venture and participate in the growth of mature, stable companies. providing a counterbalance to the inherent risks of entrepreneurship. The consistent dividend growth can also provide a reliable stream of personal income, offering a layer of financial security. The core benefit across all these scenarios is the shift from simply saving money that loses value to owning a piece of thriving businesses that actively work to increase your income year after year. It's about building a stream of passive income that grows over time, providing you with greater financial flexibility, security, and the ability to pursue your dreams with more confidence. You see, building wealth isn't about luck or hitting some improbable jackpot. It's about making smart, informed decisions and consistently applying sound principles over time. The Dividend Aristocrats and the SDY ETF offer a clear, understandable, and historically proven path to achieving your financial goals, regardless of your starting point. For the parents struggling with debt, SDY offers a beacon of hope, a way to start building a brighter future for your family, one dividend increase at a time. For the young investor, it has the opportunity to harness the power of compounding early and build a foundation for lifelong financial security. For the busy professional, it's the efficient and reliable way to put your money to work without demanding constant attention. And for the entrepreneur, it has the stability and predictable income stream that can provide peace of mind in the midst of the exciting but often turbulent world of business. Your financial worth is not defined by your current debt, your starting salary, or the pressures of running a business. It's defined by your willingness to learn, to take informed action, and to commit to a strategy that has the power to transform your future. The secret of the wealthy isn't about hoarding or luck. It's often about patiently owning high-quality assets that consistently generate and grow income. SDY provides you with the key to unlock this secret for yourself. So, what's the next step? It's simple. Take the first step. Don't let another year go by, watching your money stagnate or feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of the market. Explore the SDY ETF. Understand the power of Dividend Aristocrats. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your investments are not only growing, but also providing you with an increasing stream of income. In the description below, you'll find resources to help you learn more about SDY and how to easily add it to your investment portfolio. This isn't about a magic bullet or a guaranteed overnight success, but it is about taking control of your financial future with a proven and reliable strategy. Remember the opening promise: a ticket to long-term wealth and consistent income. Even if you're starting from zero, that ticket is within your reach. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Your journey towards a more secure and prosperous future starts now. Click the link below, do your research, and take that powerful first step towards unlocking the predictable wealth-building power of your future self. The one living with greater financial security and freedom will thank you for the action you take today.